Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we simplify the best tech that actually makes your life easier. Today, we're checking out a real game changer for every driver, the AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera with a 5-inch 1080p monitor. Let's be honest, reversing your vehicle shouldn't feel like a gamble, and that's exactly why AUTO-VOX designed this camera. It's not only completely wireless, but also solar-powered, meaning no complex wiring or drilling is needed. With just 2 minutes of DIY installation, you can mount it and instantly upgrade your driving safety. Now, what makes this system stand out? First, the built-in 5000 mAh rechargeable battery and high-efficiency solar panel. Once it's installed, the sun keeps it charged, so you don't have to. Even without sunlight, a full charge can last up to 90 days of use, making it ideal for long trips or extended parking. The display is a crisp 5-inch 1080p monitor, giving you sharp, real-time visuals with excellent color accuracy and wide viewing angles. Whether you're parking a sedan, SUV, truck, or trailer, you'll appreciate how clearly it captures everything behind you, even in low light or rainy conditions. And yes, the camera's IP69K waterproof rating means it's built to survive it all: mud, heavy rain, snow, and dust. The image stays stable and clear even after months of use outdoors. Another standout feature? The split-screen mode. You can connect up to 2 cameras simultaneously, perfect for monitoring both the rear and front, or even your trailer hitch and cargo area. Switching views is seamless and intuitive. The wireless transmission is strong and stable, delivering up to 33 feet of range without interference. That's thanks to AUTO-VOX's enhanced signal chipset, ensuring that your connection remains clear, even in large vehicles. So whether you're navigating tight parking spaces or reversing with a trailer, the AUTO-VOX solar wireless backup camera gives you a new level of confidence. If you want safer drives, effortless setup, and zero wiring stress, this camera is absolutely worth it. Buy it now on Amazon, link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more daily tech from Gadgetverse.